Jamaican men have their own way of supporting women. I used to be really insecure about my fupa, and I used to go out of my way to try and hide it. Winston turned to me and said, "Good pum pum deserves shelter." I said,
with a little belly hang over your jaws, me like it. Me not like it woman them with six pack like them a blood clot, man. You're alright with a little belly drop over your jaws. Me like them something there. Me like when little belly drop over jaws.
Let me tell you the maddest compliment I've ever received from a Jamaican man. I was sitting across from him, he was dreads, very handsome. He said, "I love your smile." And I was like, "Okay, thank you." He was like, "You know I like women with black gums." And I'm there.
You know what's one of the most entertaining things about Jamaica? The compliments. I'm serious. Jamaican men have a special gift when it comes to complimenting women. And they don't just say, "You look nice." No, they'll say something like, "Me love the fulfillness. Me could hold you tight like a pillow." And somehow it sounds so confident, so funny, and honestly kind of sweet. Hello everyone, welcome back to Training Pulse Worldwide. My name is Amy, and today we are talking about the most hilarious and surprising compliments you'll ever hear from Jamaican men. And if you've ever been to Jamaica, you already know these compliments are bold, full of humor, and will have you laughing every time. So let's get into it.
Jamaican man are one of the most hilarious on planet Earth. Yeah? They have the most hilarious pickup line, compliment. Tell me why a Jamaican man are gonna look upon a woman when I try compliment. When I try look at her and a compliment I tell her, I say, "Babes, you look good like when me I cross road." Brother, where to pull that out from?
Hi guys, so I'm just thinking, my brain does that sometimes. If it wasn't for societal standards and norms, I honestly think my soulmate would probably be a madman or a rastaman or up on the roadside. Yeah.
But Danny, why would you say that?
Because, quick story time. Actually, before the story time, I have never walked, drive, stroll past a rastaman on the roadside, or one madman, or one security guard without them complimenting me and making me feel better about myself and my day. So I was at a funeral, and say when funeral keep people linger by, because them always think food or something not good. No food never did at this time, but people just did linger about. Anyways, so I was walking out of the funeral and I walk on the road for go to the car. When I pass one Rasta man, him say, "Oh God." Hey, say it's that now. Him say, "Oh God. It look like heaven is on a holiday. The angels are loose." Why would I say that? Honestly, this one in particular, him definitely look like him not bed in about 2 months. But how sweet.
What I love most about Jamaican compliments is the creativity. They'll find a way to compliment anything at any situation wherever you are. Talk about your hairstyle, your walk, even the way you hold your bag. It's all fair game. And the delivery, always smooth. Sometimes you don't even know whether to laugh, blush, or just say thank you. And if you ask me, Jamaican men are just very funny and really bold.
English, but I live in Australia.
Oh wow, you're pretty.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day, alright?
Oh, thank you. You too.
You don't need a chauffeur? Good. Alright, have a good one, yeah?
Bye. Bye.
At this point, we need to start one series about the things that Jamaican men say to me. Because tell me why when taxi man just see me and tell me, say, if him did have me, he would have put me down on him dress and dust me down every day. This next taxi man now is just like, "Baby, you look like you smell good." Yo, even if I'm trying not to answer, I'm still just off dead with laugh because the things that they say are so creative. And if you've ever traveled to America, you can attest to the fact that being in America, there are hardly any men who call to you as a woman. When you're in Jamaica, You can't go very far without men calling to you. Like Jamaican men have the most creative catchphrases. Them call to you in the most creative ways. Like all if you're not fat pan them, you must have to laugh or something like that. Trust me.
Jamaicans will always be the most interesting people on this planet Earth. Today, a boy dissed me, but at the same time, he complimented me. Here's how. I took my son and his two friends to the park to ride. These boys were there setting up for play football. Them start, make them goal posts, all of them things there. Ropes. Them start playing now. I was there for probably like an hour and a half before one of them kick the ball really close to the pin of them. I'm say, yo, what you wanna do, because one of these boys that was playing football said, Ratted. You know some of the things I want young girl. Motherfucker. I was just like, well, no. I'm a big woman. The man dissed me. But him compliment me at the same time. And I just have to take that. But that was funny. But yeah, I'm not a young girl, but I'm glad I still look like a young girl, so big up me.
Here's what makes this whole thing even more interesting. In Jamaica, compliments are part of daily life. And it's like a cultural thing. Jamaican men see beauty differently. They admire confidence, naturalness, and realness. And they say it out loud. Now, if you're not used to it, it can definitely shock you at first. But once you understand it's all in good spirit, you realize how refreshing it is to be appreciated just for being yourself. And some women even say they start to miss it when they leave Jamaica. Because let's be honest, compliments like this don't come often anywhere else.
Girlfriend, you have to go start, hype up yourself the way a Jamaican man know how to hype up a woman. And I never realized how much I missed the hype of the Jamaican male population until I got back home after living overseas for for over 8 years. I was living in Japan. Japanese men don't see you. Japanese men are shy. They're not going to tell you how much your butt big and your belly flat. We can't even think of some of the things that these men say. Jamaican men have the biggest confidence, and if we were to take even an ounce of that confidence, we would accomplish some great and grandiose things in our lives. And I'm back to say, hype up yourself the way a Jamaican man hype you up.
So the next time you hear "you pretty like payday" or "me love the thickness," just laugh and take it as the island way of saying you're beautiful. So guys, that's it for today. I hope this video was entertaining and interesting to you. What about you? What's the funniest or boldest compliment you've ever received from a Jamaican man? Drop it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. And if you're new here, join the family by subscribing, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories and cultural moments from around the world here at Trending Pulse Worldwide. My name is Amy, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed.